what's up YouTube? It's your boy D from SneakerHeadLowLife. Today I'm coming to you guys with a video on the Nike Adapt BB basketball. I got mine's 9.5. So I say go true to size. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to pair them. If you guys bought them from StockX or from a friend or something online, I'm gonna have the solution. Also, I'm not gonna have an on foot with these today because you know, they're just basketball shoes. They're not a lifestyle shoe, and I don't want to break them out with some jeans or some, you know. If you guys like any of my past videos, like, subscribe, and you know, keep watching. All right, back to the shoe. Electro-adaptive reactive lacing. So this is how they come. I have opened them before. They're not brand new. I didn't just order them. I got these actually when they released. They both come with the paper with the Nike signs, gray, like silver Nike signs on them. Alright guys, so first thing I want to start off is as you can see, the StockX tag on there is the older one. I got these last February, I believe, 2019, or yeah, 2019 it was. And then these were from a recent StockX purchase I got. This is like the new signs right here. Let's get into the shoe. Alright, so basically, you guys know the shoe is a basketball sneaker. The self-lacing technology, as you guys can see. It's like a mesh on the top, very soft. You can actually see and feel the wires, or the shoelaces, the self-lacing shoelaces. Alright, and the Nike sign, I think this is a pretty cool thing. It's M3. I believe it's M3. Let's see. Yep, it's M3. I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, anyways, back to the sneaker. The bottom, icy sole, very icy. You got the round blue on both sides. You know, it's a nice sneaker to play basketball with. I got them because of Luka and, you know, Tatum and a couple other ball players that wear them, and they make them look dope. Alright, you see it says e.a.r.l right there, and then the sizing and everything else on the side. I don't know if you guys can't see that. Whatever. Believe me, it's there. This is like the dopest charger ever. Like, sometimes I just want to bust it out and just use it for my phone because it works on phones, tablets, all that. And I just want to use it, but then I forget it's just for the sneaker. You know, it's because it says the Nike sign, you know, everything Nike. Alright, the first thing you want to do if you already have the app, you want to delete the app. If you have the shoes paired on your phone, your Bluetooth, forget the devices. I feel like you have to reprogram them every single time that they die. I've never worn them, but they do die inside the box. And every now and then I do take them out to play with the strings. Nothing crazy, you know, just to show them off. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to hold both buttons until they turn red. Both turn red. Alright, then you want to let go of the right until it turns like white. Then you want to go and press the right one until it turns green 3 times. Let it go. Now you want to do the same with the other shoe. Hold both until they turn red. Let go of the right until it turns white. Then when it turns white, you want to press the white 3 times. Turns green. Let it go. Alright. Okay, it says if I want to allow Bluetooth to pair, I put OK. And now I'm gonna, for 1 minute, I will hold this next to the buttons. Now it says connecting. Left. If I want to pair my left, I'm gonna put pair. Connecting. Alright, so it says shoe detected. Press the light, and it says you're halfway there. This is so annoying. Alright, so same thing. You get the other shoe, put it right next to the light. It wants to pair the left, no, the right I meant, because it paired the left before. I want to pair it. This is so annoying. I was having a little trouble because I paired it like a couple times before actually putting it on video, and then it was giving me trouble afterwards, and that was the annoying part. Alright, then you want to press the light to confirm. Alright, I'm all set. I got the Adapt BBs, the number 1, the first ones. Alright, so I'm gonna skip the perfect fit because I'm not gonna try them on. So basically that's it, your left shoe. Yeah. Alright, so if I wanted to switch the colors, just right here you see there's a button that you just switch colors with. Follow me on IG, SneakerHeadLowLife. Subscribe, leave a comment, like, and share my videos, guys. I'll see you guys soon.